In order to make the demo process easy, we came up with a travel demo kit. The kit includes a stainless steel cup, nut and bolt, and a coil. All you need is our tool and the kit, and you're ready to do your demo. How easy is that? For this demo, I'm going to use the Mini-Ductor Venom HP. Simply take the coil, insert it into the twist lock, and lock it into place. Make sure your stainless steel cup is filled with water, then take your nut and bolt, place it within the coils, and pull the trigger. In a matter of seconds, that nut will become red hot. Simply take it, place it in your cup of water, and there you have it. You just did your very first demo. Demos like these can help show your customers how fast, safe, precise, and reliable our products really are. Want a demo cup but don't have one? Simply give us a call or shoot us an email with your credentials and mailing address, and we'll get one sent out to you. I can't wait to hear about your demo cup success stories. Thanks for watching.